I'm going to walk you through the JLT 3.0 oil separator installation for your Explorer Sport. Included in the JLT kit is the oil separator with quick connect hoses, mounting bracket and mounting screws. The tools you'll need for installation is an 8mm socket, ratchet and extension, a 13mm socket, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Let's get started. Okay, our first step, we need to remove our engine cover. Unscrew the oil cap, sit to the side, pull up on the engine cover. I'm going to go ahead and replace our oil cap for now. Our line here is our factory PCV line on the back valve cover. There's a tab, this one's blue, sometimes they're gray. Push on the tab and pull up on the fitting. That will release it. You're going to do the same at the intake. You push that tab to release the fitting. Okay, so our oil separator is actually going to use this 13mm bolt to mount the bracket, but first we need to relocate this ground strap. This is an 8mm bolt. Go ahead and loosen this up. Sometimes this can be really tight, so I like to support the sheet metal here to make sure you don't bend it. And this strap has a locating tab here on the front. We're gonna have to bend that out just a little bit because we need to shift it this way so our can will mount nice and straight. Go ahead and tighten that back up. Now we're going to remove this 13mm bolt. Again, the same thing, support the sheet metal until that breaks free. You should be able to unscrew that by hand. Try not to drop it. You're going to take your JLT bracket. And we can go ahead and tighten that bolt up. Okay, so we're going to take our oil separator and slide it into place. This fitting will rest underneath this cowl. As you can see, this flexes quite a bit. I'm going to use the supplied screws to mount it to the bracket. Take a screwdriver, go and tighten those up. Now I do want to show you a trick with these fittings. If for some reason your fitting is twisted this way, as you can see, these move. They might be initially tough to break free, but once they break free, they spin. So we want to twist that to make our connection over here on the valve cover. And then our connection at the intake. With our other line. Like so. Last but not least, we need to reinstall our cover. Remove the oil fill cap. Cover sits grommets into these pins. So just slide that back, line up your oil fill cap, push that down, and reinstall your fill cap. That completes your installation.